Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at how we can trade Volatility 75 successfully using the channel. Okay, I'll be showing you how to create your channel, how to map out your channel, how to trade within the channel, and if there is a breakout from the channel, what you should do, and how to take advantage of that and make some profits with that. These are some of the things we will be looking at in today's video. So I want you to sit tight, have your notepad with you with your pen, take some notes, and also understand the way everything works. Try it out on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. You're going to love every steps I will be explaining in today's video. But before going fully into this, welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, feel free to browse through my channel. I have more than hundreds, as in over 100 videos here that you can watch, and most of the videos are training videos that can get you started immediately. All you just need to do is just to make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. Okay, this is very vital and very important. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know about my trading strategy, or maybe you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you love if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, because that is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a new video like this. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, before we go fully into what we have today, let's quickly do some market analysis so that you will understand what is happening in the market. As we can see, boom, 1000, I'm using the signal indicator. It was on downtrend before, but got to this support level. It has gotten to this support level before, which led to a full uptrend, and you can see the yellow line change from yellow to blue after spiking up, which means that we are going back on full uptrend. You can see it spiked up on this. We might likely experience it is possible for us to experience another spike around this region, and if it does not, if it breaks out from this successfully, then this blue line will change from blue to yellow color. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, at the moment it is trying to go back on uptrend after a little downtrend journey. Okay, it is trying to go back on uptrend. So do your analysis very well before you go into the trade. Okay, this is I'm using the crusher indicator for this. You can always see that okay, it was on uptrend at a particular point in time. We got our buy signal here. You can see the white arrow popping out there, but it got confirmed here where the green region is starting from. So it got confirmed here and it went up to this level, this resistance level. Okay, that actually gave us 64-minute candles, which was amazing, before bouncing it back to downtrend. Okay, let's check out what is happening with boom 500. I'm using the QDC scraper indicator here. At the moment it is on downtrend, there is no doubt about it. Once you see the trend on down, then definitely it is on downtrend. And there are some support that were this particular support was tested several times, but this time around it has been broken fully and it is going down on full downtrend. Okay, if you are using this indicator, I know you will be milking the market right now. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 500 using the NT indicator. It broke out from this support level here and it started going back on down downtrend. Okay, it is on downtrend at the moment, and remember, this is 1 hour time frame, which means that it has been on downtrend for a very long time. Most support levels have been broken. Okay, that is all about today's analysis. Let's go into what we have for today, which is how to trade volatility 75 within the channel. I'm going to show you how to map out the channel, how to set your channel up, when to pick up your trade within the channel, and when to close your trade and turn it around into more profit. Okay, so I will be explaining all this in the video, and if you have any question, feel free to contact me. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's head on to the trading platform. Okay, let's head on to the trading platform. So let's go straight to volatility 75. This is volatility 75, so we'll be using it for our analysis. But right now, instead of using lower time frame, we'll be going to day one. Okay, because we want to make sure we set up our channel within this region and make the market successfully. Like I said, you need to be sure of the trend of the market. Okay, like we are now, you can see that the market is on downtrend. Okay, so might be on downtrend for a very long time. Of course, it has been on downtrend for a very long time. So as you can see, each of these candles here are daily candles. Okay, it takes a day for each of them to be formed. Okay, so this is 43 candles, which means that for good 43 days the market has been majorly on downtrend. Okay, so that is what it means. So how do we now form our channel and milk the market successfully with this? Okay, you will come up here to pick up your equidistant channel. Okay, after picking it up, then you place it at the edge of the beginning there and draw it down to this level. Okay, so I want it to, let me make it a bit thicker so that you guys will see it very well. Okay, let me make it a bit thicker. Probably I should give it a white color. Then let me adjust this so that you guys will see it very well. I don't want it to be too thick. Okay, this is cool. Okay, so that you guys will see it very well. So what I want you to do is to adjust it to the tip of the candle. Okay, of the first candle. Yeah, just adjust it to the tip, then come here and take it to the tip or the other end of the candle below. Okay, this is the channel. Okay, remember, each of these candles are daily candles. This is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. That is what I'm trying to say. This is daily time frame. So as you can see, once it is touching each of the boundary of this channel, it shows that it is most likely that the price action will bounce back to the other end. So check it out. It started the sell signal from here, so it's actually sold, sorry, it's actually sold from this, it's actually sold from this level downward to this level, from this level downward to this level. After touching this channel, you should expect two things. One, which is very possible, which is something that is more reliable, is a bounce back. Okay, there should be a bounce back. You can see there was a bounce back, and when we had the bounce back, you see it going back up. Okay, it went back up and got to this level. Once it gets to this channel, this end of the channel, then you should expect another bounce back, which is a sell. Okay, it's sold to this level, and once it gets to this channel, you should also expect a bounce back. Okay, this bounce back went up, came down again, went up, came down again, but finally went up, okay, to this level. Okay, after getting here, then you should expect another bounce back. Okay, you can see it came down, and it's, you can always trade all these bounce backs, all these edges of the channels are places for you to place your trades. Okay, they are places for you to take advantage of the market and milk the market. Okay, what now happened to the market when there is a total breakout from this channel? Okay, you can see you can be trading within the channel for a week. Okay, you sell, you buy, you sell, even for a month, because if you should do your calculation, okay, the number of candles that you got from here, from selling from that point to this point, we have 6 candles, which means for 6 days you can be selling. And another one is this. Okay, we got a buy to this level, which means for another 6 days we could be buying, okay, in this market. So it happens like that over and over and over. Okay, so you can be doing this for months within a single channel. And what if it breaks out from that channel, just the way it happened here? You can see that it breaks out from the channel here, and when that happened, you can see that there is only one thing that you should expect from there. Once it breaks out from that channel, then you should expect it to buy for a very long time. You can see it's jumping up to this level. So all you just need to do is just to buy straight, because it is going to go for a very long time, because it has broken out from the channel. The same thing, if it breaks out below the channel, then you should sell for a very long time. Okay, let's see more. I'm trying to see if we can get, okay, let's see more. This is another channel which you can actually tap into. You can come here and draw your channel again. Okay, draw your channel for this. Okay, you can actually draw for this and milk the markets within that region. Okay, so you pull this backward a bit, then this should go up a bit. Okay, so you milk within this region for a very long time. You can see you sell from here, buy again, then sell again, buy again, sell again, buy again, sell again, and buy again. And right here it breaks out from this channel, so you should expect it to shoot up. You can see it gave you almost 3 days shooting up. Okay, that is how to go about it. So you should be ready to map out the channel. I've actually explained to you how you can map out the channel. Okay, take it though to the 1 time frame. Pick up your equidistance channel trend line. Okay, once you pick it up, drag it on your chart. Once you drag it on your chart, adjust it to the tip of the candles, then you follow it through. Okay, you follow it through. Okay, each time it is touching the edges, then you know what to do. Okay, each time it is touching the edges, started from here, went on a buy and got to this, then you sell again till it got to the other edge. But when there is a breakout from the channel, then you should expect that, okay, for instance, if it is breaking out from the lower part of the channel, then you should expect a long sell. If it is breaking out from the upper part of the channel, then you should be expecting a long buy. Okay, this is how to handle this. Okay, this is how to trade within the channel. This is how to trade volatility 75 within the channel. So I want you to practice this very well. First of all, set up this indicator on your demo account. Then the next thing you need to do, practice to draw out your channel. You can use the trend line alone to draw out the channel, and you can also use the equidistance also to draw it out, depending on the one you want to use. Okay, draw out the channel and make sure you pick up your trade at the edges of the channels, and if it breaks out from the channel, then you should know what to do at that particular point. So I want you to go back to your demo account and practice this over and over. You can watch this video over and over so that you will understand the way it works before you go fully on your real account. Once you are able to perfect this, then you can now go into your real account to do the necessary stuff. Okay, so that is how to go about it. So I want to see your demo results. I want to see your results on your demo account, so that I will know if you are doing well and if there is anything I need to add to it in order for you to have a successful trading journey. So feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen. And also, if you love this channel, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. I'll be stopping here for now. Feel free to contact me. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.